Congratulations on your acceptance to Bunker Hill. We're excited that you'll be joining us. Before you come talk to us on campus, we want you to know some important information about your classes. So what we're going to do now is go over some of the pieces you'll hear about during your first advising appointment. Once you come to campus, you'll meet with an advisor and receive a booklet, and we'll use that booklet to guide you to choosing the right classes for your first semester. This booklet will also give you a little bit more information about our academics and how to be successful at Bunker Hill. First, we're going to talk about the different programs you can study at Bunker Hill. We offer 3 different types of programs: certificates, associate in art degrees, and associate in science degrees. Our job is to help you follow the requirements for the program that best fits your needs and goals, so be sure to let us know what you're hoping to do after Bunker Hill when you meet us. Now over here on the right, we have a couple of notes. It's important to know that the average Bunker Hill student takes 3 to 5 years to complete an associate degree, whether it's an associate in art or associate in science. Students who place into college-level courses after taking their college placement test and take 15 credits a semester while also taking summer classes may be able to complete their degree in 2 years. So now I want to tell you about the foundational courses that are included in our program. If this is your first time in college, you will need to take a Learning Community Seminar. This is a college-level course that helps you adjust to college academics and helps students become more comfortable with Bunker Hill. There are 3 ways to take a Learning Community Seminar, or LCS for short. You only need to choose one of these options. The first option is up here in the top left in pink. This option is a Professional Studies LCS. If you are enrolled in one of these programs, you have an introduction course built into your program, which will count as your LCS. For example, business students will take Business 101 to meet their LCS requirement. If you're not in one of these programs, you still have 2 other options, the first being in the top right in royal blue. This is a theme-based LCS. You can choose from many themes that range from personal finance to superheroes. Again, if you talk to an advisor, we'll help you find the course that best fits you. Your last option is to take a cluster, or 2 classes that are taught together. You can take a theme-based cluster or an accelerated cluster. If your college placement test scores place you in developmental courses or courses that start with a 0, you can speed up your progress by taking that developmental course with the next course in your sequence. What's your sequence, you ask? Well, I'll tell you. There are 3 different sequences here at Bunker Hill that you could place into. Before you register for classes, you'll need to take our college placement test or show us your transcripts from your previous college or university. If this is your first time in college, we'll use your placement tests. So here are the sequences. If you're an English language learner, you could be placed into our ESL sequence. There are 3 levels, all of which you need to complete before you can start your major courses in your program. The other 2 sequences are English and reading sequence, and then our math sequence. When you meet with an advisor, we'll determine where you are in each of these sequences, and that will help us suggest courses for you to take. So when you get your booklet, it'll look something like this. What we'll do is write in the courses that will be appropriate for your first semester based off of your college placement test scores or your transcripts. Any course that starts with a 0 is a developmental course, which are prerequisites, or courses you need to take before taking the next course. While they're not college level, they're important to take to make sure you're prepared for all of the classes in your program. As you can see on this slide, we have a lot of sequences, and figuring out what course you're supposed to be in can be confusing. Don't worry, we'll go over your personal academic situation with you one-on-one once you come in to Bunker Hill. Okay, you're almost done. Just a few more important pieces, and then you can come on in and see us. To sign up for classes, you need to make sure that you can pay for classes the same day you register. Again, payment is due when you register, and at Bunker Hill, you pay by credit. You'll see in the top box under tuition and fees that Massachusetts residents pay $162 per credit. Non-Massachusetts residents pay $368 per credit. So if you're enrolled in one course and it's 3 credits and you're a Massachusetts resident, you'll pay $486 in total for that single course. Once you enroll in 9 credits or more, Massachusetts requires you to have health insurance. So what we do is we automatically charge you for our student health plan, which costs $1,026. You'll see this in teal where it says health insurance. If you have your own health insurance already, you can fill out what we call a health insurance waiver, and this will take the cost off of your account. To pay for everything on your account, you have 4 different options over there next to the purple arrow. You can pay with financial aid or pay in full, set up an automatic payment plan, or have a third party pay for you. Whatever way you're paying will need to be decided when you register. So if you have a way to pay for classes, and if you've taken the college placement tests or have your transcripts, you're ready to come and see us for your first advising appointment. Please look at our walk-in advising hours and choose a time to come to the LifeMap Commons. We look forward to speaking with you.